Welcome back to our EVS session. I hope you all are absolutely good and doing your work properly. So students, as you know, we were doing chapter number 7, that is teeth and tongue. Right, our book work is completed. So today we are going to start with the notebook work. Everyone keep your notebook with you and your stationery items. So let's start doing this chapter in notebook. So firstly we will do keywords, then very short question answers, then short question answers, and then long question answers. And today I will give you homework also, as yesterday was holiday for Janmashtami. I hope you must enjoy it with your family. And so today I will give the homework also. Before that, let's start it. Open your notebooks, start writing lesson number 7, teeth and tongue. Make a heading of this in the first line on page, and then here write the date 13 August 2020. And we are starting with the, because we are doing classwork, so write here classwork also. Then make a heading of keywords. Keywords are the words which are little bit difficult. Okay, so we are writing here. Will tell you the meaning along with this. First keyword is biting. Biting. To bite something, to break something, like break the food. That is biting. Okay, biting, biting. Then second is chewing. chewing, chewing. Chewing is किसी भी चीज को च्यू कर कर खाना, दैट इज chewing. Biting, then second is chewing. chewing, chewing. After that, third is wisdom teeth. wisdom, wisdom teeth. teeth. So wisdom teeth are those teeth which come which are the last 4 teeth in the age of 20 to 30. जो एज ऑफ 20 to 30 की एज में हमारे पास आते हैं विजडम टीथ, जिसे हम बोलते हैं विजडम टीथ. WISDOMTEETH, विजडम टीथ. Then next is gums. Gums are the pink portion in our mouth which hold the teeth firmly. Okay, जो हमारे teeth को hold करके रखते हैं, those are the gums. Pink color particle in our mouth are known as gums, which hold the tooth. Then fifth is crown. CROWN. Okay, so you are thinking about it here as a crown of a princess, right? The same meaning is crown is princess crown also, yeah, ताज जिसे कहते हैं, but here it is like a portion of tooth which is above the gums. Like this is a teeth. We are talking about this. This is a teeth. So this portion is known as crown, and this portion is known as root, right? So above portion, which like portion of the tooth which is above the gums. These are the gums, pink color gums. Above the gums portion is known as crown. Is it clear about the crown? There are 2 meanings of crown. The next is enamel. Enamel is the first layer which is our white covering of the tooth. White outer covering of the tooth is known as enamel. ENAMEL, enamel. Again repeating these 6 keywords: biting, chewing, wisdom teeth, gums, crown or enamel. Then 7th keyword is dentine. D-E-N-T-I-N-E. Dentine is the second layer of the tooth, right, which make the tooth properly. So this is the dentine. D-E-N-T-I-N-E, dentine. Write it. The next keyword is root. Root, as I told you, like this is a tooth, right? This is a tooth, and this portion above the gums are known as crown, and this portion which is under the gums, are known as root. Clear? So about the root, R-O-O-T, root. Yes, roots हमारे plants की भी होती हैं, right? So this is of root. Here we are talking about the tooth. So it's root of tooth. Then next is pulp. Pulp is the center part of the tooth. Pulp is the center part of the tooth. P-U-L-P, pulp. After that, next is tartar. So tartar is a yellow layer which cannot removed with the help of brush. So we need to go to dental. Okay, we need to go to dentist. So tartar is that जो येलो लेयर कलेक्ट हो जाती है टूथ के ऊपर, उसको बोलते हैं tartar. Correct? Then next is plaque. The germs collected in the tooth. Germs collected on teeth are known as plaque. After that, the next is dental floss. So now what is dental floss? Dental floss are that thing where brush cannot reach in between the teeth. So here is a piece of string is used to floss between the teeth. Teeth के बीच में उसको floss किया जाता है. That is dental floss. Okay. So these are the keywords again. I am repeating: biting, chewing, wisdom teeth, gums, crown, enamel, dentine, root, pulp, tartar, plaque, or dental floss. I hope you all did this with me. Then now we are starting with the very short question answers. So everyone make a heading of very short question answer. Here everyone will make a heading very short question answer. Make this heading, and here are two very short question answers. Firstly, we will do that. So question number first. Yes, so question number first is what is other name of milk teeth? So what is other name of milk teeth? I hope all of you know the answer. Yes, I hope all of you know the answer of this. Another name of milk teeth. Yes, it is temporary teeth. So write here Temporary, temporary teeth. Yes, temporary teeth. Temporary, temporary teeth. 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 Write question number first, then we will start with question number 2. Yes, next is why should we avoid chocolates? Why should we avoid chocolates and sweets? So this answer also many of you know. So why should we avoid chocolates and sweets? Avoid means नहीं खाने चाहिए, right? So we should avoid. Write here answer now. We should avoid chocolates and sweets because it spoils our teeth. Because it spoils our teeth. ये हमारे टीथ को स्पॉइल कर देता है. स्पॉइल मीन्स खराब कर देना. So again repeating, why should we avoid chocolates and sweets? We should avoid chocolates and sweets because it spoils our teeth. Is it clear about this? Now giving you few seconds to write it. Okay students, after the very short question answer, we are starting with a short question answer. Today we will do only one short question answer. Okay, so write here heading of short question answer. Yes, after this question number first, what is tartar? How can it be removed? How can it be removed? So what is tartar? How can it be removed? Yes, so after this write the answer. Tartar is like right here, if the teeth are not kept clean, अगर हम अपने टीथ को साफ नहीं रख रहे हैं, a yellow, if the teeth are not kept clean, a yellow substance get deposited on them. टूथ के ऊपर क्या हो जाएगा? येलो लेयर आ जाएगी, येलो सब्सटेंस आ जाएगा. दिस सब्सटेंस is called tartar. This substance is called tartar. So this question is done. What is tartar? Now we will talk about how can it be removed. अब इसको remove कैसे कर सकते हैं, right? This can be removed by a dentist. This can be removed by a dentist. Dentist ही इसको remove कर सकता है. Okay students, so write it fast. Then I will give you the homework. Yeah, I hope all of you have done. If anybody left out, I will send the PDF file on Google Classroom, so you can check the questions from there also. And so what is your homework, students? homework is you have to make a structure of tooth. It is given in your book. First layer is enamel, dentine, pulp, nerves and everything. आपको ये एक क्या करना है, एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाना है ऑन द प्लेन पेज ऑफ योर नोटबुक. आपके बिल्कुल जहां हम क्वेश्चंस कर रहे हैं कीवर्ड्स के सामने वाले पेज पे आप क्या करेंगे, बनाएंगे मेक अ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ टूथ. आफ्टर दैट ऑन एवरी प्लेन पेज आप बनाते जाएंगे लाइक काइंड्स ऑफ टीथ, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ काइंड्स ऑफ टीथ, like structure of canine, incisors, molar and premolar. You will write their uses also. Okay, so this is the homework for today. You have 2-3 days to do, and after that on Monday you will just upload it on the Google Classroom and I will see आपने homework कर लिया है या नहीं. Is it clear about this? Make a structure of tooth, structure of canine, structure of incisors, structure of premolar and molar, and you have to write the uses of this also. Structure of all the kinds of teeth, you have to write their uses also. So students, that is all for today. I hope you all are doing your work very good and very properly. So okay, bye bye and we'll meet you soon.